afternoon, early on families. I hope you're all well today and ready for some science fun. Boys and girls, earlier today I read the story Fiesta. Fiesta is a Spanish word meaning celebration. One of the ways the characters in our story celebrated was with the music of a mariachi band. Today in Science Wonders, we are going to have some dancing too. We can dance along with our science experiment. We are going to see if we can get some orzo pasta, some rice, and some raisins to dance. So to start, we're going to use some soda. Soda is a carbonated drink. Then in the other glass, we are going to make our own carbonated water. And we're going to see if they both work or if one works better than the other. Let's get started. So in our first glass, we are going to pour our soda. Do you hear that, boys and girls? And do you see it fizzing? Do you hear it fizz? We're going to pour it into our cup. Do you see the bubbles, boys and girls? So we're going to fill our cup about half full with our soda. In our other cup, we are going to put some warm water, about the same amount. Then we are going to add a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is called a bicarbonate. So we're going to stir that in and let it dissolve. Then, boys and girls, we are going to add some vinegar to our baking soda. So soda pop also has bicarbonate in it. That's what makes it fizz and pop. And we're going to add, do you see it bubbling, boys and girls? We have made now a solution very similar to pop, except pop has flavorings in it to make it taste good. So here we are. We have some pop and we have some bicarbonate water. Now let's add some pasta. These are our little pasta noodles, a little bit of rice, and a few raisins. Oh, do you see what's happening, boys and girls? The raisins and the rice and the pasta are moving up and down in our water. I think I'll pull it back just a little tiny bit for you, and we'll watch them dance. So what's happening, boys and girls, are the little air bubbles are called carbon dioxide, and they are lighter than the water, and the other things are heavier than the water. So when they first go in, they fall to the bottom because they're heavy, but then the carbon bubbles attach to our raisins, and when they attach, they help to float our items to the top of the water. And when all those bubbles pop, they sink again. So they're starting to dance up and down, float and sink. That's the kind of dance they're doing. In this one we can really see the, there's the raisin. He's trying to dance up and down. We just have to be patient. There goes another one. We got some pasta dancing up top here. There's some raisins dancing over here. I think we should put on some music and have a dance party with our raisins. Look at them dancing. Let's have a mariachi band party. Hear the music? Can you dance? Dancing with our raisins and our rice and our pasta. You see that rice is really dancing on this side. Up and down, up and down. Do you see it dancing? Here's a closer look. Are you dancing, boys and girls? Well, boys and girls, that was fun having a dance party with our raisins. Look at them dance up and down. So what's happening is they sink and they float. They sink and they float because of the carbon dioxide brings them to the top. Then they pop and sink. There they are dancing away. Now, boys and girls, they won't dance forever. Once all those bubbles have disappeared out of the solution of carbonate water or soda, our raisins, our rice, and our pasta will stop dancing. But until then, we can dance. Boys and girls, did you dance along with our raisins, rice, and pasta? And have your own dance party? Can you think of anything else that we might be able to make dance? You can maybe try some lentils or some beans. What kinds of things we could try? If you try this experiment at home and have your own dance party, please post me a picture. I'd love to see what you were able to make dance. I hope this was a fun science experiment for you boys and girls, a chemistry experiment. Have a great day. Bye. Well, boys and girls, it's been about 5 or 10 minutes and our raisins and pasta are still dancing. It looks like the carbonated water we made with vinegar and baking soda worked the best. Let me know what worked best for you. Don't forget, post your pictures.